So breaking news, Middle Eastern media reports simultaneous explosions in Iran, Syria and Iraq. According to various agencies, the explosions might be carried out by Israel and the bombardments have been reported near the cities of Isfahan and Natanz in central Iran, which contain important facilities for the Iranian nuclear program. The Iranian agency Fars reported that explosions were heard near the Isfahan airport and the Iranian Army's Hashtam Shakari air base. Amid this scenario, they also report apparent detour of commercial aircraft from Iranian airspace.